Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to remove background noise in CapCut on PC. If your video has unwanted background sounds like wind, static, or hum, CapCut can automatically clean it up. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open CapCut on your PC and load your project. Make sure your video clip is already on the timeline at the bottom. Now, click on the video clip on the timeline to select it. You'll see a white border appear around it showing it's selected. Okay, look at the right side panel. You'll see several editing tabs like Basic, Audio, Video, and Effects. Click on Audio. Here's the thing. In the audio settings, you'll see different options like volume, fade, and noise reduction. Look for Reduce Noise or Denoise. Check the box next to Reduce Noise to enable it. CapCut will automatically analyze your audio and reduce background noise like wind, static, or ambient sounds. Preview your video by pressing play. Listen carefully to see if the background noise is gone. And that's it. Your video now has clean audio with background noise removed. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.